If you're recording videos on your iPhone and you feel like it's taking up a huge amount of storage, then there are some things you can do to make sure it at least mitigate the impact of video recording. Because let's be clear, it's impossible to record videos and not have them saved somewhere. They need to be physically stored on your device. But okay, let's say you want the videos to take up less amount of storage on your iPhone. The first thing you can do is to make sure you lower the quality of the footage. You can make the resolution go down from 4K to full HD, which, don't get me wrong, is still a great quality for your content, but it'll take less space on your device. The same goes for the frame rate. You perhaps don't need the video to be at 60 frames per second, while 30 or even 24 frames per second is completely fine for any video. If you already have some videos on your iPhone and you'd want to lower the size of those, you can compress them. Just get the video compressor app from the App Store. Plenty of options, but they all basically do the same thing. And using one of these apps, you have the ability to lower the quality of your video and therefore make it take up less amount of storage. Another possible option is to upload your photos and videos to iCloud or any other cloud service. This will prevent the iPhone physical storage from being full, but keep in mind that if you have many photos or videos, you'll likely need to pay a monthly subscription for these cloud services. iCloud, Google Photos, Dropbox, they're all great, but for more content, they all charge you extra. So that's it for me. I really hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, make sure you click on the like button below this video. Make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc as well, and we can see each other in the future. Thank you.